guys, I am Jamie Jo and I am with Jamie Jo Sells Wax. We are a fragrance business specializing in Scentsy fragrance, all things smelly good. Scentsy fragrance started with wax warmers and wax, but we have now branched out into fragrance for all different areas of your life. I have been partnered with Scentsy fragrance since all the way back in 2008. I started as a customer, fell in love with it, decided to become a consultant. And like I said, that was all the way back in 2008. I'm still loving the company, still loving what I do, and sharing my knowledge of fragrance with my customers, but also my knowledge of business building with anyone that wants to give the Scentsy opportunity a try. It has truly changed my life, and it can do the same for you. Enough of that. Let's jump right in. Guys, I normally don't film on Fridays. I'm filming this on Friday. You might be watching it a different day. So I'm not full face makeup with my hair all did, but I got a shipment today and I wanted to unbox it live with you guys. See, it's still taped up. I haven't even cut the tape, but I know what's in here. It is my Warmer of the Month kit for next month. Now, one of the perks of being a Scentsy consultant is the fact that we get the opportunity to purchase the Warmer of the Month 2 weeks before it's released and smell the scent of the month 2 weeks before it's released. And that's what this is. And I wanted to show you guys very first. I also wanted to show you guys what all comes in this kit. It's kind of a fun thing. So, you know, I have a lot of people that join the Scentsy opportunity not to really work on making a lot of money, but just for discounts for themselves and fun little perks just like this, the Warmer of the Month kit. So Aloha Orchid is our fragrance of the month for May 2023. I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars of that. And I'm so excited about this warmer. Luxe leaves. Yes, of course, I'll take it out of the box for you in just a minute. But there are 2 other things in this shipment box that I wanted to show you that I get as a consultant, and that is a package. Like, I have a whole package. I'm just showing you one. A package of the Warmer of the Month flyer. So it's beautiful marketing images done by Scentsy. So you can be a Scentsy consultant and not have to worry about being a marketing content creator, because they create all kinds of great stuff for us. So we can get these every single month. They're the perfect size to pop in a mailer and get out to my customers. But then also we get 72 of the rub and sniff stickers. We can always purchase more, but we get one package of 50 of the flyers and a package of 72 of the rub and sniff. That comes in the Warmer of the Month kit. So let's first, I want to give a sniff test of Aloha Orchid before I read the scent descriptions. Sometimes it's kind of fun to do. Sometimes I nail it, and other times I'm just way off. Okay, I am gonna guess. Let's see how close I am. I mean, there's gonna be orchid in it. The name is Aloha Orchid. But I believe that I smell some grapefruit in this, or possibly pineapple. I sometimes confuse grapefruit and pineapple. I do want to tell you that I always flip the bars upside down to give them a sniff test. We use paraffin wax, which allows the highest scent loading ability. It has the highest scent loading ability. So we pack these bars full of fragrance oil. That means that it's going to last longer and it's going to be stronger. The thing is, the oil is heavier than the wax. So we store the bars like this. The oil is going to sink down into the bottom. So to get the best sniff test, I always turn it upside down. Okay, now I'm going to read the description. Obviously, there's some orchid in it, but I think there's pineapple or grapefruit in there. Let's see what they tell me. Oh, I was somewhat right. A trip to the islands beckons as coconut cream and pineapple water mingle alongside plumeria petals and purple orchid. So I'm surprised no grapefruit in there, but that pineapple and grapefruit kind of, I get them mixed up in my smeller sometimes. So let's look at this Luxe Leaves. If you have followed any of my short videos, that is, on here on YouTube, I often show you my plant addiction. So this is a warmer that probably will be staying in this house. Like I don't have enough Scentsy warmers. So I already pulled the dish out. It's just a glass round dish. Ooh, they packaged this bad boy up. I'm glad I don't have to worry about getting it back in that box, because this sucker is going in my house for sure. Sometimes it's just as much a challenge to get it back in the box as it is anything. So first of all, do you see those gorgeous Monstera leaves? I love them. Okay, let me unwrap everything else and show it to you. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to my plug. Maybe. Sometimes when I plug it in, it doesn't show on video too well, but we'll give it a try. I think I can reach that plug in back there. Yeah, so glad I'm not having to rewrap this one. That I'm planning to keep it. Oh, it's like a frosted glass. A lot of times it's the shiny, shiny glass. And look, they even help me. They say this side up and give an arrow. I'm going to put that little sticker at the back. What I like on this warmer, you can see there's a little notch for the cord. So that helps it sit flat. So wherever that little notch is, that's where I'm going to put that little stickered part. Oh, wow. I didn't even realize. So some of the leaves are inside the glass. Some of them are outside. See that? I did not even realize that there were leaves inside. I knew that it had the flowers on the, or the leaves on the outside. I didn't know about the inside. All right, looks like this is a 25-watt warmer. So that 25-watt light bulb is what is going to warm the wax and melt it down. So let me get that put in there. Let me unwrap my cord. And then we're going to get it plugged in. Okay, so here's my warmer. Got the bulb in there, and then it's just the glass dish that sits on top. Is that not gorgeous? Just like it is. I absolutely love it. But let me see if my little cord will reach here. Oh, actually, I have an extension cord right here. Pause for a moment, please, friends. I mean, I could edit this, but I probably won't take the time to do that. So, okay, we got it plugged in. Let's turn it on. And I hope it comes through the video well. It is amazing. Guys, I'm telling you, this warmer's not leaving my house. But I'd be happy to order you one. So this is the warmer of the month for May of 2023. Along with the scent Aloha Orchid. Let's see Scentsy's fancy schmancy description of the warmer. It says golden fronds wrap around this elegant warmer's soft glow for a posh, eye-catching accent. So evidently I'm going to have a posh warmer in my home. Guys, this price point is amazing. Some of our warmers of the month are higher end warmers because they take a little more detail. This one is normally $45 US, but it's 10% off in the month of May. So that makes it just $40.50. That is an amazing price point of a warmer. So if you want to get this warmer, there's a couple different ways that you can do it. You can always text me to 918-888-9690 and let me know that you want this warmer. Or you can jump on my website. Now, this is not available until May 1st, and it is 10% off May 1st. It's guaranteed in the month of May. After that, it will only be available if there are still some available. So that website is JamiJoSellsWax.com. You can get it there in the month of May. If you would like some samples of some Scentsy sniffs, some smells, text me the word samples to that same phone number, which was 918 888-9690. I love this warmer and I hope you love it too. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am here to answer all your Scentsy questions, whether it be about product or about the business opportunity. I would love to help you out. My name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy and show off this gorgeous, posh warmer.